Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Simply Super YouTube channel. I am here to review Chehre movie. Coming to cast friends, this movie presents so many versatile actors right from the beginning. Grand Old Man of India, Amitabh Bachchan ji, Imran Hashmi, Siddhant Kapoor, Ritiman Chatterjee, Anu Kapoor, Samir Soni, Crystal D'Souza, Riya Chakrabarti, Raghuveer Yadav, Alex O'Neill. Coming to main plot friends, as now it is in a Corona period, all are working in from home mode. This movie is something like a quote working from the home mode. Coming to the main story friends, our hero is a big business tycoon moving from one place to Delhi through cold mountains. Suddenly, due to the climatic changes and snowfall, our hero has to stop at one place and has to find out some cottage. He finds out a villa with the help of the Bullarji, acted by the Anu Kapoor, and he enters into that villa. This villa is an adobe of a retired judge and he resided by three of his friends. One is a retired prosecutor, another one is retired defense counselor, another one is retired executioner. These four friends who are residing in that villa has a dark side. Dark side here really means they are interested in playing games with the guest. That game is nothing but court game. In the part of the game, they treat all the guests as the criminal. And prosecutor likes to bring the charges against the criminal and he is a responsible person to prove the charges given against him. Defense lawyer will stand for the client and finally if the charges has been proved, judgment is given by the judge and judgment is nothing but death sentence. These four friends retiring from the judicial department used to have a strong belief that every person must be committing some mistake, some sort of crime. Though this crime is small or big, the crime has to be punished. In their experience, they have seen several criminals. Some may be punished and some through their influences escaped from the court of law. But now they want to find out criminals and they want to execute them is the main plot of this movie. Coming to the story friends, our hero is a business tycoon, all these four friends has a belief that he must be having some criminal background. He must committed some crime and these four friends request our hero to play the game and knowingly or unknowingly our hero also accepts the game and he enters into the game. Now as the game begins, as a part of court law, our defense lawyer requests our client to confess the crimes committed. But our client, our hero, says that he is a pure soul. He didn't commit any sort of mistake. He is a responsible citizen and he is an ideal by heart. Now, coming to the role of the prosecutor, Amitabh Bachchan ji, will he finds out crimes committed by the hero? Will he imposes the charges against a hero? Will he proves the charges against the hero? Is the theme of the story and what is the sentence issued, what is the judgment issued is the ending of the story. Coming to the genre of this movie is being presented as a crime, suspense, thriller. This movie has lots of thrilling elements, suspense elements and lots of twists in this movie, and this movie is clearly and superbly portrayed by our director and this movie is in now streaming in Amazon Prime, and this movie is a worth watching movie. Hope everyone watches this movie. I like to end this video. Friends, if you like this video, please do subscribe and like and give me a little support. Thank you.